Guys, I'm just a random dude on the internet trading meme coins, giving you guys educational entertainment values only. So if you guys want to make your own investments, please do your own research, read the room. Do not copy trade me, yada, yada, yada. Let's get on into it. Aliculus Miscilius. So the original one died 36 minutes ago, and the current one 26 minutes ago is still alive. 120k volume and massive dump. We're gonna get in there. We're gonna play the dump, I hope. Bought a little high, not gonna lie. We're gonna play for a little scalp here, see if we can get like a 30% profit on it, and right back to where it was before it dumped. What are we up here? 40%. I want like a 60% gain on this buy. All right, we're up 0.1 on this. We'll take a little scalp here. A little bit of like $30 profit to start the day. I thought I made 0.1 on this. 35% scalp. It is what it is. Order might fail. Oh, come on, dude. I should have gotten that buy, and I could have gotten another 60% gain. This is trending on graduated now. Does this actually blast off or what? Can I get a dip? I don't want 300k. I want 250, bro. Hello? Are we bullish? Dude, do I just get in here? Do I go for a little scalp? What are we in at? 1.8? I want to get another buy. We're down 33%. No, why did someone put big money in when I click buy? Ah, green bean, lima bean. Still $440,000 volume past 5. It's got some crazy volume, bro. Chicken balls monkey. 719 people have put their hard-earned money into chicken balls monkey. Who wants it? Fortnite. Get in here on a dip. I clicked buy. Hello? All right, we're at 286. Give me that scalp. Bro, I need to get out of Veneria, so I'm going to revenge buy this again. What's my average? 1.3 mil. We can get there, right? 12 sold buy, no sells? I thought that was chicken butt monkey, and I was like, why can't I sell? Get that chart off my screen, bro. Ferb is revenge trading. I wonder what his average is right now. Probably like 4.5 million after all these buys up here. Bro's trying to get out. We might need to buy in after Ferb sells, because Ferb holds like probably like $40,000-$50,000 worth of the coin. Hello? Oh, Anira pump. Yoink. All right, 0.2 profit on Aniria. We'll take that. Get me out of there, bro. I had 330 bucks in I didn't even realize I put that much money into this coin. What was I doing? We're up like 0.5. We scalped ACM. Profit on Aniria. We're in 0.3 profit on Chicken Monkey guy. So we'll see what happens. We're chilling right now. We're making some bread. 18% top 10. Have bundles cashed out? At 2% bundles? I don't know, bro. CBM could be like an 800k play. 200k volume still. Volume's looking hot, man. Let's go look around a little bit more, though. We're going to buy this dip. All right, I re-averaged back into chicken. I'm in for 1 sol. If we get back to 400k, I make like 0.9 Solana. That's what I need. Wow, look, Dev just sold some tokens, and it pumps. Oh my God, we're back in profit on CBM. All right, can we get a leg up to like 300k again? I'm going to sell a little bit here, bro. I've been holding this for way too long. I sold 75% here. I'm just gonna secure some liquidity back. I've been holding on to it for way too long. This is slowing down hella heavy, bro. CBM's volume is dying. Guys, did I cause a chain reaction of sell-offs? What happened here? Guys, all I did was sell 75%. I didn't even sell my whole bag. Hang on, chill. Whoa, guys, what are we doing? What are we doing here? Do I buy it in here? 120k? It has to be like a no-brainer scalp unless I'm a ass, right? Yo, look at that move. Hey, good buy. 120k buy on chicken butt. Love to see that, bro. Just get us back to like 160, 170, 180. We're chilling. Whoa. All right, so the greed buy on CBM might not have been the play. Unless we double greed right here at 100k. Boink. I'm greedy. I'm too greedy for the profits, man. The chart is nuking. What is going on? Why is this tanking so hard? What's the volume? It's 128,000 volume past 5, and we're not keeping this damn monkey alive. Are we serious? I'm finna bridge. Susan Neuralink. Is Dev fully out? 30% top 10. That's a lot. Are we buying into Susan? Yo, why is Susan pumping? Hello? People are selling on my head. I'm getting front run. Hello? Let me get my scalp, dude. Let me get my scalp and be happy. Are we dumping on the dumper, bro? ACM's losing a lot of momentum. It's down 500 holders. Holy Susan's rugging. Susan just rugged you. Yeah, I lost $20 to Susan, bro. Allen Iverson pumping. Is it actually pumping? We saw it at 99k. 150k. What the 2-month-old coin, 359 holders. Huh? Why is a 2-month-old token getting volume out of nowhere, man? That's insanity. 430 holders, 54k market cap. It's already bonded though. It migrated, ran to 122, and it's slowing down. We'll gamble. AI dying, guys. The front runners, dude. What am I down here? Oh, I only put 0.25 in. What am I down here? Oh, we're up. What are we down? Guys, do you guys want to see how much I'm down? Unbelievable. We're up 0.3 sol on AI. All right, we got some good price action here on Allen Iverson, bro. Not too bad. Yo, AI is pushing. It just hit 400k. What's going on here? The whales are in. The whales are coming in now. 500k and pushing. Let's go to 1 mil. Why did I sell 50%? Hello? The Sendor? We caught the top. Okay, I'm gonna stop selling now. I'm down so much in this coin, but it's holding up like 0.8 SOL worth of my liquidity right now. All right, let's see if people will dump after me and I get a cheaper price. We're gonna sell some more here at 700K. 700K. We gotta keep securing some Solana, guys. Oh, now about it, now when you do I think about me? Oh, please tell me I got this sell at the top. Yeah, you doggy ass coin, bro. Big dump on post Malone. I sold at 900K. That's actually so annoying, bro. Why was that so slow? Bro, I'm just gonna hold the rest. How much do I have left in here? 0.3 anyways. I'll full port it like 1.2 or 1.3 mil if it gets there. My wingspan is 6'5" at 5'11 and a half, bro. Like, this shit is insane, bro. I've always wanted a BJ. I got you, bro. A little bit of a dump to shake. 750 down to, where's my instant trade button at? Hello? Oh, dude, I'm about to get on this, aren't I? We're in for 580. Back to 600 here. Honestly, good pocket dip at 400, but I didn't click Wendy's nuts. 30% top 10. Is this Sean Kingston's wallet? He holds 8%. Is he gonna fucking rug us though? Wait, hold on. Is this real? And he just ended the live stream. His net worth is only 400K. Is he broke? Is Sean Kingston broke? Yo, some big buys coming in. 21% top 10. Hang on, it went down from 29 to 20. That's not too bad. What are we up? Little 15 boner McBonersons. Can Sean Kingston pump our fucking bags or what? I think he's slacking though, low key. I have 0.3 riding in it, bro. So it is what it is. I could have been up a lot more, but I had to take profits, man. My 3-year-old just asked for cow juice. What? He called bees honey bugs? That's actually cute, bro. I'm gonna start calling bees honey bugs, bro. You kidding me? That's alpha. Yo, honey bugs? That's what's the CA? Bro, the Sean Kingston coin's actually dead. Do I just cut like a 0.1 loss here? Not even 0.1. Like, bro went live on Twitter without like a crypto Twitter community and is expecting to like shill this shit on people. All right, let's go look for something else, bro. We're up like 2 SOL today, realized. Wait. Is this real flame? 42K volume, 420K market cap? Is this not a fake? I thought this was a fake when we saw it. Ghosty just sold. We're going to put 0.5 in here on Ghosty's sell. Thank you for the dip, Ghosty. I appreciate it. Hopefully I can get some bread here.
5 minutes later.
Yo, I just got destroyed, bro. Dude, Ghosty just rugged me, bro. Ghosty just rugged me, brother. Dude, I put my faith in the Ghosty front run. It was the real flame, boys. I don't know what you guys are yapping about, but that was real. Flame just rugged live on stream. No one trusts that Twitter account. 90K market cap. This guy top blast shit and then it gets volume. 800K dip on AI. I'm in there for 0.5 SOL. Well, 800K dip. Come on, Iverson, go back to 10 mil or go back to 1 mil. Let me get a scalp, bro. We need this guy to sell. Maybe we don't though. He just brings volume to anything though. We're gonna go for a possible failed play here, but we'll see what happens. Of course, I get filled on the fucking wick, bro. We just gotta sell before he does. If we don't, we die. Fucking we ball, bro. This guy brings volume to coins, man. He brings volume. I don't know what to tell you. Why does it not show his sell? The dev's still in though, so be careful there. Dev holds $10,000. We're just gonna get out. We'll take a 60% gain. What is Signal Forge? This is Signal Forge. Signal Forge is my premium alpha private group! Alpha. But yeah, if you guys want to join, this is Signal Forge. It is a private alpha group. There's like 500 members inside of here. You guys can join. Check it out for the month. I can't guarantee you'll make $15 back within your first 30 days of trading, but I can almost guarantee that you $15 ain't a lot to make back. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, check it out if you guys want to. Why don't I do a live challenge of getting $20 to 1K or more live? Because I'm probably gonna fail. But I mean, this wallet started with $50 2 months ago. I'm at 20K. So that was basically my challenge. 3 main things you look for when trading these: holder count, current top 10% on holder count, current dev holding of the coin, any insiders that I follow on the coin as well, and then current volume. Those are like the main things I look at inside of like the terminal I use, BullX, which is all I can see like in real time right here and there. And then I like to run bundle checks on each coin as well, checking out the bubble map, checking out the bundle count, all of that kind of stuff. What does unrealized P&L mean? Unrealized is like profits that I have not taken yet. So for example, on this chart, whoa, I'm in for $100. I've sold for 430 and I still hold roughly $50-$60 in the coin. So I still have like $60 floating around that I have not traded out of yet. Which wallet tracker do you use? I use BullX NEO. Save 10% on trading fees and skip the waitlist on !bull. And you can use BullX as your full terminal, instant trading tabs, automation, stop loss, limit loss, automation selling, DCA tools, wallet trackers, and alerts as well. All built into one. And please drop a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.